In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to be. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter that is known as translation studies. In translation studies, I told you about the definition of translation and various types of translation. Today, I'm going to teach you two more types of translation, such as human translation and machine translation. What is human translation? What is machine translation? What are the strengths and weaknesses of machine and human translation? Be with me and listen to this lecture from beginning until end. Listeners and audience, human translation is the process of converting the message, the meaning of one language into another language. The message of the source language into the target language. It is very important and significant for the human translator that he or she must be expert and professional in his or her field. Human translator, he conveys the right message from one language into another. Why? Because he knows the culture, the context, and the emotions behind the text. Particularly when it comes to idiomatic translation. On the other hand, when we are talking about machine translation is the process of converting the message of one language into another. Machine translator and machine translation includes, for example, Google translation, Microsoft translation, and other AI artificial intelligence apps. Remember, machine translation does not convey the right message in some cases because it struggles in cultures, context, and emotions. It means human translation can understand these features, but machine translation does not understand such features accurately as I mentioned, culture, context, and emotions in particular. However, when we are talking about the strength and weaknesses of human and machine translation, machine translation translates a large and huge amount of text in few seconds. This is not that much expensive, easily available. However, if we are talking about human translation, it is very expensive. It needs time and it spends a lot amount of time to be done. However, the accurate translation which express and conveys the right message, that is human translation. If you're talking about machine translation is also done by various companies, but they have also hired professional and expert translators who help them to find out errors and mistakes and to change the text as the accurate one. Hope that now you know about this topic. Thank you.